Okay, this is the Vacmaster that I received in the mail. I put the handle on at the top, so it comes unassembled. Here's the hoses that comes with the Vacmaster. As you can see, there's a small hose size and then there's a larger size on each end. And you're supposed to take the large end and just insert it into the Vacmaster itself, into the port. So here it is, here's the big end. And I'm just going to put it into the Vacmaster, and there is no adapter that will seal it, that keeps it from letting air escape. And so there's literally no power to this thing. I called the manufacturer and they offered to send me another hose, but that wouldn't do any good because I would get the same hose without an adapter. So has anybody else had this problem? I'm curious. Anyway, I thought this was important enough to post this so no one else will get into the same situation I was into, where there's just, it's not like a shop vac. All right.
Hello, just wanted to make a video for this product, this vacuum cleaner. We'll say it worked great. I needed something that was smaller that I could get into, like cleaning out chairs, pulling out the cushions and vacuuming the chairs, doing ceiling fans, things of that nature. I have a Bissell vacuum for doing the floors, but it's obviously not small enough, didn't have an attachment that I could get into smaller areas with. This product does great. I'm able to get under chairs, I'm able to get into smaller little shelves and cabinets that I just need to vacuum the dust, and obviously the ceiling fans. So it works great and is exactly as ordered. I would recommend this product. Thank you.
It's corded.
Okay, so I am really upset with this, only for the simple fact that it's not coming with the wet brush. I wanted to use this to clean my couches. I have 2 small children. I absolutely love it. It works fine as a vacuum. But when I'm going to clean my couch, I can't. So I ordered another one. And this is the second one, obviously. Brand new, okay? When you take it off, everything's here just like it was last time. All of that. Cool. Congrats. Where is the wet brush?
Guys, this is the update on the vacuum I just purchased off of Amazon. This thing is powerful. It got awesome suction. So I have it hooked up to my sandblasting cabinet, right? Check this out. I'm going to turn it on. Look. I can't even open this right now. Look. See? Shut it down. See the pressure is releasing. There you go. Now I'm going to turn it on. See? Can't even open it. See? That's amazing how much suction that this thing has.
Okay, so it's clearly plugged in. I've checked any possible issue that it could be with that. Other things work on this outlet. It's obviously an issue with not clicking over when you try to turn it on or off, so something's disconnected. And I did get this discounted. It said that it was like new, but it's not operational.